Today we are looking at doing a bit of a summer pruning in peach and nectarines, and here in this moment we have a particular training shape that is a Datura trellis, where the branches are open at a 60 degrees angle, more or less this way, and is 60 from the ground, 60 between the branches and 60 from the ground on the other side. And this is a typical way to do a Datura trellis. Now we are trying to do a summer pruning for a 2-year-old peach tree at Datura trellis that we described before, and we are trying to make a kind of pruning to grow the tree. Is a building training of the tree and is not really much toward production for this year or opening for production. Is opening for letting the tree grow and build a correct structure. So as you can see, we are trying this tree. Currently it looks pretty wild with a lot of canopy and straight up shoots that we do not really want. And one other thing is the Datura trellis is made of 2 main branches at 60 degrees apart, and so we need to choose one main branch on the trellis itself, that it will be hooked to the trellis to make it our main productive branch for the life of the tree. So in the case of this tree, we start from the bottom in trying to figure out which are the shoots that they are interfering. Mostly the upright shoots are the first that they have to come out. They always need to come out because they are utilizing too much energy on the tree, and it's something that it will need to be removed anyway during winter, so it's just lost energy from the tree that it will go toward production next year. High energy, high suckers, upright shoots that they are too strong at this time of the year for a non-productive tree, and they will just take away the shape of the tree that we need to have. So we go inside of the canopy and we try to remove all the internal shoots. We have to choose, see at the top of these trees we have too many shoots upright. We need to have one main branch. So we go in, we choose the best growing shoot. So we remove everything else. So it was a big cut, but at the end we got what we were looking for, and we can even tie the shoot, and so we get the fruiting productive branch for next year. Now we open the top, we choose the top. We have, again, now we start seeing better. We have a big sucker coming up from the bottom and it needs to be removed. And now we can start to see we need to remove the internal uppers as well. And so now we have a nice canopy building up to all fruiting shoots, all fruiting next year. We have these 2 big suckers again, and we need to remove them. Everything that is inside of the canopy needs removal. And so at the end, from that big mess that we had before, we have now a nice growing shoot tree that is well structured for next year, trying to give a lot of fruit, and especially has just 2 main branches, one here and one on the other side, to grow and be highly productive.